begin? Honestly, these have gone viral. They are an absolute sensation right now. One brand in particular caught my attention, and that's this one. Now, yes, I am reviewing this, and no, they will not see this before you do. So all my opinions and my thoughts are my own. I was really skeptical about these things because it's all designed by foam. This couch, lounge, chair, whatever you want to call it, I'm just going to call it heaven. Excuse my language. It literally feels like a cloud that is just going to heaven in the living room or in your office or wherever you want to put it. This company has been doing furniture for over 15 years. They've sent me photos of this factory, and I mean, they're constantly building things with premium equal material, durable designs. If you are really interested in getting one of these, hurry up, go get this and enjoy it. Tell me what you think. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next review.